Good morning, everyone. Let's wait for one more minute as still people are joining in. Okay. So once again, very good morning, everyone. So welcome to Prebill. So this is a standard disclaimer before we starting the session. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL and certification from NASM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So let us see how US market and Asian market have performed yesterday. So US market has been closed on the positive note, followed by very good earnings from the Morgan Stanley, and European market has been closed on the except for Germany and France market. UK market has been performed very well, and Asian market. Japan market is slight downside, and if you see China market and Hong Kong market are gained very much. And Gift Nifty currently trading at a 25,060 kind of level. So it is almost it took its 50 DMA. Let us see whether it will hold or not. And come to the key news. Yesterday, Morgan Stanley has reported very good numbers, and it gained around 6%. And coming to the economic point of view, today they are going to release uh, jobless data, and retail sales data as well. So let us see, or let's wait for that data. And also they are TSMC, which is Taiwan's semiconductor. They are going to report its earnings. So in today's, so that also it will be depend the US tech companies. And gold hits the new all-time high, that is currently trading at 2,682 ounce. And coming to the domestic market, Reliance Industries yesterday they have said that they have fixed October 28th as a record date for its bonus of equity share. And IRCON signs a MOU with the Patel Engineering for the infrastructure projects in India and overseas. And RVNL emerges as a lower bidder, worth of 270 crore from Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation. And Bikaji Foods acquired a 53% stake in Hazelnut Factory Food, and they are going to invest up to 131 crore. And Hyundai Motor, India's, I think, biggest IPO, which is coming this year, it's almost 20, I think 25,000 crore. So their IPO day two has been issued 42% so far. And key news yesterday, Bajaj Auto has reported its Q2 earnings, which profit jumped around 9% and revenue jumped around 22%, supported by very good export data and key sales over here. But however, they are concerned this festive season sales are not that much in this particular month. So let us see how it performs today in today's session. And L&T Tech, which is again revenue has been missed, and revenue jumps around 8%, and net profit rises to 2%. So it's a kind of miss data from L&T Tech. And Cortec Patil, they have given Q2 update where collection is down around 10% and 16% YOY, and sales of is data is up around 8% quarter over quarter and up around 22% YOY. And Crisil, they have reported very good numbers and 13% growth in its net profit. And South Indian Bank, they have reported a number where profit rises to 18% to 325 crore. And today, big two IT companies like Infosys, Wipro are going to report its earnings. and LTIM in the IT sector. And in the banking sector, Axis Bank is going to report its earnings, and Nestle, Havels, and Seat, they are also going to report its earnings, Q2 earnings today. And coming to the derivative data, Nifty's PCR stands at 0.54. So there is no much difference in the last week's PCR data and this week's PCR data, as Nifty is trading at still sideways range. So max call is there is a slight changes. So 25,500 where the max call is placed, and followed by 25,200. And the put side, maximum put is placed around 24,500, followed by 24,000. So coming to the uh, chart, Nifty chart, and if you see where as Nifty in the last week of September and first week of October, where Nifty has there was a one side fall, and it has breached its 50 DMA. After that, index tried to hold that 50 DMA mark, and there is a fight between bulls and bears to hold that 50 DMA mark. So yesterday's session, it has given up that 50 DMA level, and it's still trading in this range. If you see the range of 24,700 to 25,200 kind of level, so still trading and in the range, particular range. So what we can expect is, if it in today's session, it is likely to open on a positive note in around 25,050 kind of level. So 50 DMA will be the key level on the upside. If it sustains above that 50 level mark, then it's well and good. But at the current juncture, 25,200 is a key level to watch on the resistance side. The major trend change will only happens once it crosses that 25,200 level. Then the next level of resistance will be 21 DMA, that is 450 kind of level, where the gap down was also happened in that particular area. So that is the area for the key resistance area. And the downside, the key support is placed around 24,800 kind of level. So if that level breaks, then we might see some more downside, and the next level of support will be around 700, 600, followed by 24,450 kind of level on the Nifty 50. So in today's session, it is likely to be continue to trade in this particular range. So let us see what happens in today's session. And thank you for joining this session. And I would like to invite you all for today's evening session, where we'll discuss in depth of Nifty 50 and other major sectors. So thank you for joining this session. Thank you.